is going to be another video, probably a series. These are gherkins, and I grew gherkins for the first time last year. And I saved some seeds and never got around to planting the seeds and was just toying with the idea of getting them going. And everything's been a little slow this year because of a number of things going on. And we never got around to planting them. And I got walking around out here as spring, and I looked and I thought, that looks exactly like a gherkin growing. And there was a pile of them right in this general vicinity. I've since cut the grass to knock them down. And I don't know how many people have ever eaten gherkins or know much about them, because I had actually never heard of them before last year. I like them. They're also called mouse melons, and there's the fruit right here. Oops, I turned. Okay, I accidentally hit the off button. Okay, so I'll end up posting this or splicing this. These are the gherkins, the fruit. They're just about ready to eat. That biggest one down there is ready to eat. One of the names for them is mouse melons. These particular ones are the Mexican gherkins. They are from Mexico and Central America. They're very tasty. I like them. But I will say that a lot of people that eat them, that I've offered them to, have declined after eating the first one. They say, that's interesting flavor, and don't eat them anymore. They taste a little bit like a cross between a watermelon and a lime, or a cucumber and a lime. There are other varieties than the Mexican gherkin. Some of them are Middle Eastern, and I forgot the other region where they also grow. But they are very, very prolific. This is less than 1/100th of what was growing. And as I said, I've cut the grass to knock them all down, and I am getting some of the fruit. And you can kind of see why one of the nicknames for them is the mouse melon. But they're very, very prolific, and I was told that they would reseed themselves. And sometimes when you're told something will do this, that, or the other, you discover that they're not really telling you the truth. But with these, if you have them, if you put some in, there's a pretty good chance that you're going to have them for a while. As you can see, there's a number of them growing. They are very spreading. I made the mistake last year of planting them on a row that I had tomatoes in. And within a matter of, I'm going to say less than a month, I planted them on this end right up here, right where these guys are growing. And within less than a month, they had smothered out the tomato that was there and the tomato that was there. No light, the gherkins were growing all over them. And by the end of the season, I had them down to this area. And had the season been a little longer, they might have made it all the way to the other end. I was fighting with them, trying to keep them off of the tomatoes that were growing. So anyway, as you can see, there's a whole pile of the small fruit getting ready to go. When I go out, I'm off work this week, and when I get ready to go out next week, I'll be taking several containers of them with me to snack on during the day. So this is last year's experiment, and I was happy with the experiment. And now that I'm seeing them come back up and growing like mad, I'm even more happy with the experiment. So anyway, if you like this sort of thing, I'd ask you to subscribe, and thank you for watching.